Hey, sorry about my voice. I'm dealing with a little bit of a cold. This is my quick review of the Wilson brand bird netting. I bought this off Amazon. I got the 50 by 50 net, and this is supposed to be the heavy duty, high grade bird netting. You can see close up, it's not just a single strand, it's several strands woven together, which makes it a lot stronger. So, this is my cherry tree I'm trying to protect. It's actually a dwarf I got from Costco. And it's interesting, if you want to make a dwarf into a full-size tree, just put some soil above the graft. Plant it a bit deeper and it'll go into a full-size tree. So as you can see on the roof, I tried one of those owls to scare the birds. They did not care at all about the owl. And I did it right. I moved it around and they just did not care. I tried the hawk sounds, predator sounds, having a speaker. They did not care about that at all. So I just got the net. One thing I was worried about is if this net would tear, being snagged on some of the pruned branches or the gutters. There's some sharp metal on the gutter because it's very close to the house. This did not tear at all, and I really snagged it. This net held up wonderfully, so it blocked 100% of the birds. And then when you're ready to pick some fruit off, it's all there waiting for you. Also, this net is fairly flexible, like literally, you could stretch an edge. So let's say it's, the 50 by 50 net. You could stretch it out to 60, but it will make the other 50-foot edge shrink. So it'll maybe be a 60-40. If you're wondering how you put this net on, it can be a little awkward, especially if you don't have really tall ladders. But there's other videos on YouTube that do a good job of explaining how to do it on different size trees, so you should check those out. What I ended up doing was folding the net in half, taking the fold, lifting it up towards the top of the tree, and then flopping over the other half. And when you remove it, you do it the same way. You can't remove it like you see in the car commercials when they take the cloth off a car and just yank it. This doesn't work like that. It's going to snag. So what you do is you lift it up over itself. So it's sliding over itself on its own net, if that makes sense. So this is a really good net. I got no complaints about it. I just wish I did a little bit better job measuring in the beginning so I don't have so much net to deal with, because it does get a little bit awkward trying to handle so much material. So just get the right size for what you need and you'll be all right. So best of luck on your trees. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. Take care.